In this video we're going to show how to mount and dismount a Moffett piggyback style forklift from the operator's view. First we get up, we have two buttons here. This will release the pressure off of the chains. Hook the chains to the Moffett. Next we disconnect the pigtail. This is the electrical connection from the trailer to the Moffett. Go ahead and start it up. Next we're going to extend the mast out. Next we're going to raise the forks, which is going to lower the Moffett down on the ground. Next we're going to go ahead and tilt the forks forward. Now as we raise the forks, we're going to back out. Now in order to mount the Moffett, we pretty much do the same thing in the reverse order. We go ahead and line up the forks, the trailer. What we're going to do is we're going to raise the forks and tilt them forward all the way. This is going to give us the angle we need to be able to get in. As we're pulling forward, we lower the forks. We tilt the forks back. Next we go ahead and push the forks down. And we retract the forks to bring us back in. And that's it. Go ahead and hop down. We're going to go ahead and plug the pigtail back in. Connect the chains back up. Now these chains are not meant